Prada Saffiano Luxe Bag. This is in black color, then gold yung kanyang hardware. Model number is BN2274. If you search this up, it's medium size. With card, with strap, and with dust bag. This is a consigned item, so na-authenticate na namin. May kasama na siyang entropy. Yan. Front logo, it's still gold. Yan. And this one yung bag yan. Medyo wala na siyang shape. So, lagyan nyo na lang ng palaman. Ayan siya. Yung harap. And then, may loose thread din dito. The side. Likod. And then, other side. Tapos, yung ilalim ng bag. Corners. Corner 1. Corner 2. Corner 3. And corner 4. Then, the handles. Maganda ang kanyang handles. Ayan siya. Tapos, itong lips, meron lang siyang, ayan, meron siyang loose thread. Pwede niyong i-glue yan. Tapos, dito sa other side, may crack siya doon. Okay, paayos nyo na lang to. But this is selling super, super low. Yan siya. Okay, loob, malinis. Okay, for when worn. The Prada Saffiano Luxe, ayan, meron siyang strap. Hindi na namin ilalagay yung strap. Pwede naman siyang ilagay, kaso mas better if ipaayos muna yung isang hook. Yan siya. Tapos yung strap niya sa first hole, merong crack, kaso hindi naman siya tagos. Diyan lang. Okay? Selling low lang to. Ayan siya.